for tonight. Energy versus GCB Aspo. Okay, we have Escabarte. Escabarte driving the ball. Don pinasang kang Mr. Maynard. Nakwit-kwit sila. Nakuha ni Escabarte. 15 second shot clock. Escabarte na pass to Mr. Pitos. Atara. No good. Rebounded nilang dalawa. Nakuha ni Mr. Surya. Surya holding the ball. Pinasa kang Uy. Back to Surya. Surya pass to Landero. Landero for 3. No good. Rebounded by Patrick. Patrick holding the ball and dribbling the ball. Pinasa doon kang kanino. Back to Patrick to Mr. Villegas. No good. Okay, bola sa team GCB Aspo.
Hangin sa kaayo. Mag-electric pan.
Okay, we have Uy. Uy, pinasa kong Surya. Surya nagmamadali at doon binigay sa labas. Steal by Mr. Maynard. Maynard, dribbling the ball. Walang control ha. Muntik na maagawan. Same ball position.
Hadlok kay diri hadlok tas bula og tao dito rin kay bato den mo pisik.
Okay, to Mr. Escabarte, to Pitos, 2 points. Mr. Pitos. 2-0. Score 2-0. We have here Uy dribbling the ball. Pass to Mr. Landero. Landero back to Uy. Agoy. Nabuyan pa dyan pero nakuha. 15 seconds shot clock. Agoy. Steal by Villegas. Pass to Maynard. Bigyan ka Patrick. Maynard mamadali. 2 points by Maynard. Our score is 4-0. Okay, holding the ball Mr. Oy. Galing po kang Elvenia. Okay, time out team GCB Aspo. Elvenia.
Pwede ra gyud ma dito lang agi kay ma-technical ka di agi kas ko nga. Dito ba tuyok ito. Iya to di mama dito sa bangko. Ito nga bro na. Kana. Kana pula boy.
Ref.
Isa lang. Referee gid to ba? Gadugay-dugay.
Okay, we have Pitos. Pinasa doon kang Remiteso. Pitos back to Maynard.
Unsay rementiso oy Villegas.
15 seconds. Steal sa GCB. We have Landero attempt. No good. Rebounded by Elvenia. Okay, jump ball. Sorinia, no good. Rebounded by Villegas. Same ball position. Uy, to Mr. Elvenia, 15 second shot clock. Elvenia, attempt for 2. Okay, there's a foul. Mr. Escabarte. Personal foul, first team foul. Time 3 minutes and 38 seconds. No good for the first throw. Okay, 1 point Elvenia.
Lamig kayong abog oh.
Okay, our score is 1-4.
Uy, nagmas ka wala.
4 of NHA. Okay, Patrick. Then there's a foul.
Uy.
Jersey number 8. Boy, personal foul.
Di na yabo ng water si mo tito oh. Wa pagid ni mo gi-close. Wa.
13 second shot clock. Villegas, no good.
Bantay.
12 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Attempt. Wala. Nakuha ni Uy.
Grabe gini nga ring. Gigit ka sa tibugoy dire masinunsaon.
15 second shot clock.
Wag yapon sa score.
Okay, there's a foul. Escobarte. Second personal foul. Substitution rep. Second team foul.
Bam.
Time 2 minutes and 56 seconds.
Dancer. Mga dancer. Dancer sa NHA. Busy mo kay ma. Pag atras na ko na tumbat ang tanan.
What?
Gani.
Second shot clock. Okay, stepping on the line. 2 minutes 43 seconds.
Wala na 3 seconds karon.
Suriya. Doon sa Pilpinya. Pilpinya na boy anak po ang elementos. Villegas.
Ano ya?
Dalmao, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Pilpinya 2 points. Okay. Villegas back to Suarez. Suarez nagmamadali.
Gumaya pa sa school. Sabi ko maglayo na.
Second shot clock. Two points, Maynard. 8-4. Second shot clock.
Ay, nagawa to yun. Nice one.
Sanford. Substitution. Second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. 1 minute. 2 points. Andero.
Gabi, gikaabog as in.
15 second shot clock. 45 seconds. 10 second shot clock.
Halo? Gapos na.
Okay, who's foul? Dimitiman. Dimitiman. First is na foul. Second team foul.
Bi, dito unta mo bi o dito o.
39 seconds.
Dito mo kay maigo mo bula dire. Dito likod sa lingkod. Dito sa likod ni Upaw.
1 point.
Dire o daplin ha, daplin lang.
It's a perfect throw, Ligaspi. $35 seconds. Okay, 2 points, Landero. Jersey number 22. Patrick. First is a foul, 30 foul. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 8 seconds to shoot. No more shot clock. Okay, there's a foul.
Nagidram!
Number 12, Yamot. Huwag mo ka 12 dire. Tanaw pa na ako. So,
Amat sila.
Ria
Asa
first
sila?
no
Ay,
foul.
pero day.
13 foul.
Yung kulikod ni Upaw na. Nasa
14
likod
seconds
sa
shot
ring.
clock.
Nagay!
No good for the throw. 14 seconds. 14 seconds na lang.
Yes!
Okay, 1 point. Ten. Five.
Sana! Nice one!
Time is over for the first quarter of this game.